If you're looking for work from home job or work remotely and don't know how to crack this, then this series is for you. So today I'm starting with one of the most beginner friendly and in demand career path. In this video I'll take you through the skills which you need to learn. A complete guided path will be there in this video, and the career opportunities which you will get, the complete roadmap, the free platforms from where you can learn these skills, and in the end you will get the package information about kitna aapko package milega after learning the skills and acquiring knowledge and getting selected into the companies. So who am I? I'm an experienced category manager working in corporate world, and that's it as of now. So the skill I'm talking about is digital marketing. It's an excellent choice if you come from a business administration, commerce, sales, or marketing background. But here's the good news as well. You don't need a marketing degree to get started. Even freshers from any stream can learn digital marketing because companies care more about practical skills than your academic background. If you enjoy creativity, analyzing data, solving business problems, or helping brands grow online, you'll likely enjoy this field. So if you see on my screen here, right? So this screen explains what a digital marketer do. So let's just brief up about that, right? So basically डिजिटल मार्केटर क्या करता है, वो वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक लेकर आता है, राइट? वो वेबसाइट को जो भी कस्टमर्स वेबसाइट पे आते हैं, the digital marketer helps to convert that customers to a real buyers, right? So basically a digital marketer जो है analyzes the data the which customers are coming onto the platform and then optimizes the website to rank organically to the platform or on the Google campaigns, right? So डिजिटल मार्केटर जो है कंटेंट क्रिएट भी करता है. इफ यू हैव सीन द फेसबुक एड्स, द इंस्टाग्राम एड्स, राइट? अ डिजिटल मार्केटर आल्सो बिल्ड्स ईमेल कैंपेन्स. इफ यू सी दोस मेल्स कमिंग unknowingly to your email id, right? So digital marketer वो भी करता है basis the company's protocol or data which he company has given to do that. And it is a part of marketing, right? A digital marketer also generates leads, right? So these are the things which digital marketer do. So he plans, creates, analyzes, then grow. So if you see on my screen, these are the skill sets which you have to learn, right? So if you master these skills, you will definitely able to crack the high demand remote jobs into the current market, right? Both national and international. So let's get started. But you don't have to learn everything in a one go, right? So take your time and do it in a qualitative manner, not a quantitative manner. Start with Google Ads to understand online advertising, first of all, right? And after that, learn meta ads for Facebook and Instagram campaigns. Then you have to understand Google Analytics, often called as GA4, to measure website performance and user behavior. Then you have to analyze that. Google Analytics helps that, and it gives the dedicated charts to see you and derive to your basic goal. Basically, it will help you to answer the question basis on your analysis. So you will have an analytical backup to answer the questions to the management, right? So after that, you have to learn search consoles to monitor your website visibility in Google search. Then SEO must have heard, right? Everywhere SEO is search engine optimization in the end, and it is a very crucial part in current scenario, right? So from AI to your Instagram, your Facebook, everywhere SEO stands. It helps you gain organic customers. So whatever, if your product is right, if you don't have correct SEOs, then you won't get that type of traffic and that much of customer falling to your bucket, to your platform, to your product. So SEO is more important, right? Email marketing, it is still one of the highest return marketing channel, right? So email marketing आप learn कर लेना. Finally, local studio to create simple dashboards and reports that business use to track marketing performances. Then these are the AI tools which I'm referring to, which you have to master. You must be knowing that AI is changing digital market rapidly, right? Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate idea, write marketing copy, and brainstorm campaigns. It will help you definitely. Then Claude is excellent for analyzing long reports and creating data content, right? So that you have to master. Then Gemini integrates well with Google's ecosystem and is useful for research and productivity. Then lastly, Canva AI. This will help you generate social media posts, presentations, marketing, visuals within minutes. Coming to career opportunities. So these are the careers, or you can call as streams. You can get into these career opportunities. So first of all is digital marketing executive, ये आपको मिल सकता है. Then ad specialist मिल जाएगा. Then companies also offer SEO executive, right, to optimize their search engine. If you learn SEO, then you will be able to get into easily. एंड मार्केटिंग एनालिस्ट की जॉब मिल सकती है आपको, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर की जॉब मिल सकती है, ईमेल मार्केटिंग स्पेशलिस्ट मिल सकता है, कंटेंट मार्केटियर, देन ई कॉमर्स मार्केटियर, देन ग्रोथ मार्केटियर, then as a you can also work as a freelancer or a consultant if you know all the skill sets which I've just told you. So here's the 90-day learning plan. So phase one रहेगा हमारा 1 to 30 days का. Here you will learn basics of digital marketing, Google Ads, Meta Ads fundamentals. Then you have to explore SEO basics. If you are a working person, then weekends will be much helpful. Or daily you can find 1 to 2 hours. That will be much enough for you. And phase two is building skills. Deep dive into Google Ads, that is GA4, SEO, which I told you. ठीक है, फिर इसको लर्न करने के बाद देन लर्न ईमेल मार्केटिंग एंड ऑटोमेशन, वो कैसे करते हैं. You can search email marketing and automation on any AI. You can use ChatGPT or Claude, right? It will help you further. Then content creation with Canva. तो ये आप मास्टर कर लेना, you will get the phase 2 clear off. Then after phase 2, then comes the phase 3. You are ready now. Work on live projects and campaigns. So basically you create some campaigns, you create some content, right, into this level when you reach phase 3, and build some case studies and build your portfolio. So these are the platforms which from which you can learn for free, and I'll drop them into the description section, and you can get the links over there and just get started. So lastly, the salary which you're looking for. So after learning the skill sets, the amount of salary and the package is here over my screen. So if you see, average salary in India is around 3 to 6 LPA, right? That is for just entry level. And if you are experienced, experience आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, around bare minimum 6 months तो चाहिए. If your experience around 1 year, then that is much better than 6 months. So if you gather some good amount of experience, then you are capable of getting 8 to 15 lakh LPA, right? So this is something concrete. This is some foreshort plan where you will be getting the job, both national and international opportunities in this category. You can do a freelancing as well. If you are a hustler, then you can do a part-time job as well as a freelancer. So this enables you to have a side hustle, right? So a multi-source of income, and you can learn from anywhere. I wish you good luck. So that's it for now, and in next episode I'll come up with another opportunity where which will enable you to get remote jobs or work from home opportunity. Take care.